Hello, you have reached the magnet office. How can I help you? She's out of the office. Can I take a message? Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Yeah? Are you sure? Okay. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Okay, is that... Oh, no? Oh, okay. Alright. Okay. Mm-hmm. Is that all? Yeah? No? No? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Alright, now who's this for? Okay. Oh, there's more? There's more? Alright. Okay. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Good day, son.